I read about them in the newspaper, in the Star, and I was very taken by the fact that for then almost 15 years, Reverend Williams had been working in the community with issues of health and safety and learning and childcare. So in having coffee with Reverend Williams and exploring what I might be able to help in terms of resourcing, he described a problem he had with, which is really not a problem, it was a good problem, with his HYPE group, which stands for Helping Youth Plan for Excellence, to help them think about social issues that are problems for them and their peers. The end result of almost a year's work of writing, doing all of the things that it takes to put on a performance like scenery, music, timing, practice, dance, rap, putting all that together and watching them practice. They only had one afternoon to do that on the Performing Arts Center, and then putting on the production for 1,500 of their high school peers was really thrilling. Walking in the first time to the Performing Arts Center and seeing the grandeur of the place and feeling so special that they had been invited there. And at the end of the performance, I asked one young student what he thought of the performance. And he looked at me first like, who is this lady and what does she want to know? But then he said, I liked it, I just didn't want it to end. And I knew that we had been able to connect.
You know, one of the things about wellness and being a well person is it's not just about that physical part. It's about the foundation of that spiritual, emotional, mental well-being, and CCON really helps people to kind of bring that whole package together. Really concentrating on each individual person's road to wellness is something that I think they really excel at. The mission of Blue Cross and Blue Shield includes access to health care as well as wellness and incorporating wellness into daily lives. All of the dollars that we invest stay right here in Kansas City, and we're very, very proud of that and proud to be a Kansas City company. When I came to the KC Fun Fitness Day, the one thing that stood out above all else was the dancing. It was so fun. Everybody was out there just totally cutting a rug, seeing that it's not just, you don't have to just go run a mile in order to get well. You can get out there and start dancing. I think Reverend Williams' mom was dancing out there and really breaking it down, and it was really fun. And it was just such a great day. All ages, people kind of learning more about different things that they can do for their own wellness, but then just having fun and seeing that fitness can actually be fun. They do what they are doing because they truly love it and they truly want to make a difference. And we definitely see that with CCON. We know that they're making a difference, and we're happy to help support anything that they can do in this community to make folks healthier.
I was helping my sister. She was becoming a life insurance agent, and I was getting life insurance to help her out. And I got a letter in the mail saying that I needed to go see my doctor. And then a couple of weeks later, I got a call from the health department, and then they gave me my diagnosis. My pastor actually had me come to the meetings because I had no idea what it was, and I had only heard of it once before I found out that I was HIV positive, and I didn't even go to the event. And then once I found out, my pastor's like, you gotta go there. They're all inclusive. Like, they don't turn people away. And that's something that I really, really appreciate, because it's hard to find people that accept you for exactly who you are. With CCON, the reason anybody should invest is because you know that the money is going towards the community. It is going to help people in the community, bring programs to people who are disadvantaged, or they may not even be disadvantaged, but they just need the help. whether it's through healthy lifestyles, whether it's through HIV, whether it's spiritual. CCON is just there to help. It's a place where I wish it didn't exist. I honestly wish it didn't exist, but I'm so thankful that it does, because it still helps people to learn different things about HIV, to be able to be out in the community and have different programs that people can share in and have a safe place to go. I don't know what I would do if it wasn't there. I'm forever grateful because the people here have just helped me to find my voice. Even if it crackles, even if a tear falls, my voice is still important, and that's a huge thing for me.
Well, I am proud to report to each of you that because of your giving, because of your help, because of your support ongoingly, that CCON programs are flourishing. More tests for HIV, more screening for diabetes, more wellness checks, more senior fitness programming, more kids performing at Kaufman Performing Arts Center, more folks attending. It is a joy factory. The notion that we're the best kept secret in Kansas City really does us no good. Although that sounds cute, we're the best kept secret. The reality is that we don't want to be a secret. We want everyone to know what's going on here so that we can help more people. Yeah, we've done some tremendous things. Our programs have grown tremendously. But the more we find that we do, the more we find that we need to do. And I think we can do that with your support.